Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Brennan here, and today I've got a very foolproof business that 100% will definitely work for you, but you are going to have to put the effort in. Okay, oh my God, I just said the scary word. I just said effort. But please don't close the video, because the truth is, this is an extremely powerful method that 100% will make money. It's 100% proven. It's 100% guaranteed. There is a little bit of effort, okay? I'm going to say it quietly. A little bit of effort on your end, but if you put in that effort, it's going to work, okay? So stay tuned. This is going to be a great method for you. All right, guys, so let me break down why this method is so freaking powerful. Now, you might be wondering, why do I have images of gold mines on the page here? Because essentially gold represents money, okay? I'm using a metaphor here that gold represents money. Now, if you're going to actually accumulate gold in the real world, where do you go to actually get that gold? The answer is that you don't just randomly walk outside your door, go into the forest, and try and search randomly for gold. What you do is you go to the actual source where the gold is. And that's what we're doing with this method. We're going to actually figure out where the gold actually is, and then we're going to go out and get it. Now, really, the money online that's really, attractive and juicy and available for everybody to get is coming from people that have successful businesses. It's successful business owners. We have a certain amount of money that we just dump onto the internet every single year. Now, all that money is up for grabs. Anybody can take it, because all the business owner wants is to have his problems solved. So if you can solve his problems, you're going to make a bunch of money. Let me give you a quick example so you can see how easy it is to make money with this. I just did a quick Fiverr search for WordPress website design, and I got a bunch of Fiverr gigs that are offering to set me up a professional website. Now, the thing about this is lots of business owners, especially offline businesses, they really don't know anything about making money online or setting yourself up being online friendly. So a lot of them don't really know what the typical going rates are for professional websites. So for this one, for example, $262 Canadian, the first thing I think about is, hey, the website's called Fiverr. Why is this more than $5? But the second thing I think about is, well, there's definitely business owners out there that would pay $1,000 or $1,500 or $2,000 to be able to have a professional website, because they have no idea how they would go about getting that done. Now, if you were to charge, $700, $800, boom, you just made yourself the difference between what you spent and then what the actual business owner gave you to be able to get that problem taken care of for them. So now that we know that we can make money if, one, we can find the business owners, and two, we can actually solve their problems, boom, we can make a bunch of money online. All we need to do now is find those business owners that actually do need our help and need our services. Now, to do that, I have a super powerful hack that I'm going to share with you in this video. This is the search phrase right here. I'm going to put it in the description for this video. And essentially the function of this search phrase is to find businesses that do not actually have a claimed Yelp listing. Now, what this essentially means is that they are a well-known enough business that they actually do have a Yelp listing, but they are so disconnected with their online marketing that they don't even actually, they haven't even gone ahead and claimed that listing as they are the ones that own that company. Now, what that essentially means usually is that these businesses are not really the best at online marketing, and they could really benefit from getting more online exposure, and that's where you come in, solving their problems and making a profit in the process. So you can literally pick any of these businesses, and there are literally pages upon pages upon pages of them. But let's say we just picked, Skydiving Buffalo, New York, which is a company here. I guess it's a skydiving company. And you're going to notice here that it's unclaimed. Now, all you need to do here is go in there and claim this Yelp listing. So you're going to essentially say that you are the representative or the owner of this particular company, and you're going to actually dress up the Yelp listing to make it more presentable, make it more professional. And I know some people are going to freak out and say, well, Brendan, this isn't my business. Why can't I do this? well, you're actually doing it as a favor on their behalf, and then you're going to immediately let them know that you did it for them. Okay, that you're not going to run into any legal issues because all you're doing here is doing them a favor. And if they have a problem with it, then you can easily resolve it that way. But trust me, there's really not going to be any issues here. 99 out of 100 people are just going to be super grateful that you did this for them because it's something that they're not really comfortable with online. It's just not their thing. Now, after I've done that, what I would go ahead and do is I would do a Google search for this particular company, and I would find the information or the phone number or something like that where I could actually go and contact them. Now, what I really recommend is that you find a company that has a phone number. So I might skip this one because I can't find a phone number for it. So I would go through here, and there's a million here, but let's say Joyce Trimming. Okay, that should be one where I should be able to find a phone number. Again, this is unclaimed, and they actually have the phone number right here. Okay, so now what I can do is I can go ahead. I'm not going to actually claim this in this video because it's super boring. But trust me, you could claim this in like 5 to 10 minutes, dress it up, make it professional. Then you're going to immediately phone the company, talk to the business owner, let them know that they actually didn't have a claimed Yelp listing, but that you set up a professional Yelp listing for them. You don't even want any money for it. You just wanted to make sure that you help them out and to actually foster that relationship with them. Now, what you're going to find out here is generally most of the time these business owners are going to be super grateful because they're going to actually know that really they don't have the best online strategy. Otherwise, they would have had a Yelp listing that was claimed. And they're going to be open to the idea of you providing more services for them. So what you can do at this point is you can suggest other services that you can provide to these companies in exchange for money. Now, a great one as an example is generally if they do not have a claimed Yelp listing, lots of times they either do not have a website or they do not have a professional, good-looking website. So a website is always something that you can easily set up a professional-looking website and charge money that way. There's also other sites around the website where you could do listings for them as well. You could be a social media agency, so you could actually help them build a Facebook page and try and get some outreach and some extra business that way. And really, if you just get a couple $100s from each and every single one of these businesses, it's easy to get, you could get a handful of businesses to give you money like this every single day. And if each business gives you $200 profit, well, if you get 5 businesses a day to do business with you, and each business on average is giving you a $200 profit each, that's $1,000 in profit that you've just generated yourself just with this very simple strategy. Now, all you need to do with this strategy, remember, you can change this to any location you want. So I could put in here Kelowna, which is a small town in Canada, because I'm from Vernon, BC, which is a small town in Canada. Kelowna is right beside Vernon. It's a pretty small city, but even a small city like Kelowna still has a ton of listings. So you can do this with whatever cities, whatever states you want. You're going to find tons and tons of listings to go through. Kelowna Craft Cabinets, all these things, RWB Holdings, Accent Homes, it really doesn't matter. I can go in here, Saturn of Kelowna, Auto Repair. Again, I can go here, unclaimed, claim it, make it look professional. You can do it in a matter of a few minutes, especially once you get good with it. Give the company a phone call, let them know, get connected with them to do other services for them on their behalf. Either do the services yourself or go to Fiverr, go to Freelancer, and do arbitrage, where you essentially buy the services on their behalf and take the cut as the middleman. These are all great options. This is a super, super easy way to make money. And I know it does require a little bit of effort. It actually requires that you even pick up the phone. Oh my God, that sounds crazy, right? But this is legitimately something that basically anybody could do. It's very simple, and it's not out of the question for you to be able to make $1,000 a day with this. I know that might sound crazy to you, especially if you're starting out, but why not, okay? If you could connect yourself with dozens of companies every single day and provide value to them for free to get your foot in the door, and then you and then you inquired if you could help them out in other ways in online marketing when clearly they need help in online marketing, of course, as you can imagine, it'd be very easy for you to get, several of these companies to agree to terms with you per day, which is generating tons of money into your account. So hope you like the video, guys. Remember that if you want to make money online, you don't want to just wander around aimlessly and try and hope that you find where the money is. The best thing that you can do is understand where the money is and go to the location, to the source of where that money actually is. This is a way where you're actually going straight to the source. You're going to the people that have budgets to spend money and dump money like I do. I dump $100,000 probably. I don't actually, I haven't done my taxes, filed my taxes yet this year, but usually it's about $100,000 per year in money that I just dump in services exactly like these ones. So hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Let me know if you liked it. Give me a like if you liked it, dislike if you didn't. I use your feedback. I've also got a really cool domain flipping strategy coming on the next video I'm going to be releasing on the channel, so stay tuned for that. Hope wherever you are in the world, you're having a great day, and talk to you soon.